Hello. Today, we're getting lit. We're going to take these Dollar Tree wood pieces. You're going to learn how to easily wood burn them with dragon's breath and a heat gun. Let's get lit. The sky is about to open up and rain on us. I got to get this done. Taking a drill, and I'm drilling some holes. Crisis avoided. The sky did not open up. Now the sun is shining. So I'm just gonna give these puppies a quick little sanding. Make sure you stay to the end. I'm gonna throw these guys in a toaster oven. Let's get lit. I'm taking some dragon's breath and stippling it through a stencil. You'll also see me use rubber stamps, paint it on a rubber stamp, and put the pattern on the piece of wood. What is dragon's breath, you ask? Dragon's breath is a really cool new product that I invented. You can paint it, you can use stencils, you can use rubber stamps, and the magic happens when it's heat activated. Man, I love science.
So let me share a secret. You're the reason for this feelings. And anytime you need me, baby, you know how to reach me. 'Cause I ain't going nowhere. I already told ya, baby, when we're older, love's growing bolder. Anywhere the road leads, anywhere we're going, everybody knows that every single moment we are matching signs, and we blur the lines as hard as we tried, but we couldn't fight it. You know the angels cried out for you and I when we knew it was right. We are fire signs. Baby, leaning closer, let me love you like a soldier. A soldier loves his country. I'll defend you if you want me. 'Cause I ain't going nowhere. I already told you, baby, when we're older, our love's growing bolder. Anywhere the road leads, anywhere we're going, everybody knows it. Every single moment we are matching signs, and we blur the lines as hard as we tried, but we couldn't fight it. You know the angels cried out for you and I when we knew it was right. We are fire signs. I already know what you're feeling. You're needing some sexual healing, and a baby don't need to conceal it. Conceal it. Fire signs. We could go from the floor to the ceiling. You got me down on my knees kneeling. Now baby, just that's on appealing. Appealing. Fire signs. Let the sun and moon align for the both of us. Let it guide our love until we turn to dust. 'Cause I ain't going nowhere. I already told ya, baby, when we're older, our love's growing bolder. Anywhere the road leads, anywhere we're going, everybody knows it. Every single moment we are matching signs, and we blur the lines as hard as we tried, but we couldn't fight it. You know the angels cried out for you and I when we knew it was right. We are fire signs. I already know what you're feeling. You're needing some sexual healing, and a baby don't need to conceal it. Conceal it. Fire signs. We could go from the floor to the ceiling. You got me down on my knees kneeling. Now baby, just that's on appealing. Appealing. Fire signs.
Why is this not on anymore? Gah. Thanks for joining my fam. Have a creative, inspired, and safe week. Love you, bye. Oh yeah, check out the playlist.